Say you have a number expressed in binary 1011 to the base 2, which is binary, and you want to know what that number would be in decimal. How would you do that? How would you convert? A binary number has certain placements that you can write as columns. So since it's to the base 2, we write those columns 2 to the power. So the first column is 2 to the power 0. The next column is 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, and so on, if we were to go on. And what that means is that this column is the 1's column, this is the 2's, this is the 4's, and this is the 8's. Or for binary, it's just 1, 2, 4, and 8. So if I write this number along these columns, 1, 0, 1, 1, that means that there's a 1 in the 8's column, a 1 in the 2's column, and a 1 in the 1's column. So that means we have an 8, don't have a 4, but there is a 2, and there is a 1. So 8 plus 2 plus 1 equals 11 to the base 10. So 1, 0, 1, 1 to the base 2 equals 1, 1 to the base 10, or 11.